Hello everyone. I am Professor Shruti K. Dikshit, Associate Professor in Electronics and Communication Department, Sagar Institute of Research and Technology, Bhopal. This college is under the SAGE group. Today we are going to discuss the remaining two types of instruction formats, one address instruction format and zero address instruction format. Uh, this topic is under the subject computer system organization. EC code is EC 504. It is fifth semester subject. As we have discussed in my earlier video, instruction, what is an instruction format? Instruction format, the another name of instruction format is instruction code, and it is a group of bits used to perform a particular operation on the data stored in the register. Okay, and it follows the instruction cycle. As we have discussed earlier, there are three fields are there: operation field, address field, and mode field. In instruction format, we are concerned about the only address field. Means address field means which contains the location of operand, register or processor register or memory location, memory address or register address. These are the three important fields, as we have discussed earlier. Opcode, operation code field means which type of operation we have to perform: arithmetic operation or logical operation. Addressing modes, the second field is addressing mode, and this addressing mode indicates the which type of addressing mode is there: direct addressing mode, indirect, register direct or register indirect mode. And we are concerned about this address field. As we have discussed, there are four types of addressing instruction formats: zero address, one address instruction, two address, and three address instruction. um, we have already discussed three address instruction and two address instruction. In today's lecture, our main focus will be on one address instruction and zero address instruction. In case of zero address instruction, we will use the two instructions, push and pop, and in case of one address instruction, accumulator and memory address we will use. And we have taken the same expression for one address and zero address instruction. One address can be means register name or memory address. um, Single accumulator organization, this is very important point. Single accumulator, it uses accumulator register for all data manipulations. Here the instruction, for example, instruction add x micro operation will be the memory located, this x means that operand will be added with the accumulator data, and that previous data of accumulator will be replaced by the new added data. This is the expression: x is equals to a plus b multiplied by c plus d. This load a, the first instruction is load a, means first we have to load the memory located operand in of a into the accumulator, means transfer of this memory address operand to accumulator. Then in the second step, add b means accumulator. In accumulator, now the memory address operand a is stored now, and it is added with the memory address b's operand, and that addition will be transferred into the accumulator. Means the meaning of this, the previously the ma will be replaced by the new added instruction. Store t here, the temporary register. Here all the accumulator data, means addition data, will be transferred to the memory register t. uh, Temporary register, t is a temporary register. Again, for second expression, c plus d, addition arithmetic operation, first we will load that memory location C operand to accumulator in the same way as we have previously done. This accumulator data means MC will be added with the memory location D's data, and it will be again transferred into the accumulator instead of processor register. Here only memory addresses are used, and accumulator register is used. Then in 6 step multiply T means now in memory location T, A plus D operation is there, and it is multiplied with C plus D. Means at present the accumulator is holding C plus D, so that will be multiplied with the A plus B, and all will be transferred to accumulator. And in the last step, store X means accumulator data will be completely transferred to the memory address X. Okay, so in this way we can write the one address instruction. Okay, there is only one address here. In this way we can write using accumulator, we can write the instruction format for any expression. Now in case of zero address instruction, the stack computer is used. Arithmetic operation pops and push operands from this, means pops the operands from the stack and pushes the result. This is also known as stack organization. Here there is no address field. Here stack organized computer means a storage device that stores information in such a manner that the stored last is first item retrieved. Last in and first out. This concept is used in case of stack organized computers. Uh, Stack pointer means the register that holds the address of the top item in the uh, stack. This for in short, this stack pointer is written as SP, and SP always points at the top item in the stack. Here two operations are used: push operation and pop operation. Push means to insert an item into the stack, and pop means to retrieve an item from the stack. This is the diagram for stack organized computer, a collection of finite number of register. Here at the top, C is there at 3 location, and this stack pointer will be pointed at the C, means last in and first out concept is used here. And we have taken the same expression: X is equals to A plus B multiplied by C plus D. Here first push A, and here TOS means top of stack. What we have to first, we have to push A is data, means A will be at the top of stack. Then push B means first we have to store this data into the stack. First we can push A, or first we can push B. So here I have pushed push A, then push B. Top of stack means here top of stack, push means B's operand is there. Then add this A and B data will be added, and it now this addition will be at the top of stack. Then again for C plus D, top of stack is C, then top of stack is D. Then again at the top, C plus D will be at the top of stack. Here then C plus D and A plus D will be multiplied, and this multiplied result will be at the top of stack, and that top of stack data will be transferred into the memory location X. In this way we can use the zero address instruction, means push and pop operation in case of zero address instruction. And here the pointer will be at the top of stack. Top of stack here, that last pop. Here in the remaining steps we have used only push, and in all cases for addition addition of A plus B, or storing at the top of stack this First, in the first step also, at the top of stack means push operation is used at maximum type, and at last the pop for retrieving of data, that pop command will be used. So in this way we have discussed the different instruction formats. Four types of instruction formats we have discussed: 3 address, 2 address, 1 address, and 0 address instruction. Thank you.